Oh yeah, you guys up to our surprise right here. But anyways, what's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech TRX back now in the video, and this one's from Moukey. This is a trolley speaker that you can use for karaoke, or maybe if you have a gig and you don't want to carry your speakers by hand, you'll be able to roll it out just like this one. And it also has the Mcm-3 mic by Moukey. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below and go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about this one. Huge package, by Moukey. There you go. We're gonna go ahead and open this up for you guys and show you how well it does. Here we go. Boom. Beautiful. So there you go. Couple of boxes here that comes in the box. It comes with a mic as well. There you go. Right, by Moukey. Very good. Comes with a remote. Right there. Also some cables, like an aux cable and the RCA cables right there for your phone. Very nice, different options. I like that. And that's it, that's all. There's also the literature right there. Very nice. Let's put those on the side for now. And let's take this off the plastic right here. Oh, beautiful. It actually has, what is that? Is that a little surprise right there? I think it comes with lights as well. But anyways, yeah, it has a really, what is this? It looks like an owl design right there. Very nice, right? Also, the best part about these kind of speakers is you don't have to actually plug this in. You can just charge it and then you'll be able to be good to go. So as you can see up here, there's the on and off button. There's also the LED right there. Very nice. Couple of mic slots right there. DC in as well right there. There's the USB cable where you can put a USB stick on there, maybe your phone, so that you'll be able to play some music. There's also the TF card, which is the micro SD card that you can put in there as well so that you can play some music as well. So here you can change the echo, the mic volume, the treble and the bass, and also the volume of these speakers. Very nice. Here it has different modes. This is also good for Bluetooth, so that's pretty good, so that you'll be able to control your Bluetooth music right here from your phone by just clicking that. And then you can also hit record and use your USB stick or maybe your micro SD to record some music. Very nice. So let's go ahead and turn this on. Here we go. Boom. It's also this little design right here, little screen where it tells you what mode you are in. By changing that, you can just hit click that. Now Bluetooth right there. It's also the radio right there. Very nice. So that's pretty good. If you want to turn on the lights, you'll be able to do so. So here we go. Real easy to connect this to your phone. All you need to do is change the mode by clicking the mode button right there. As long as it says Bluetooth, then you'll be able to connect it to Bluetooth by going to your phone, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and then hit that. And there it is. We can see that we are connected. Very nice. Now we're gonna lower this down and see how well it does. We are about like 10% of the volume right now. and we're gonna test out some music right here. Right now we have it on a quarter of the volume on the speaker, but we also have it as half on our phone, so pretty good. It's actually loud enough for a small room. This also has 120 watts of power, so you'll be able to fill a mid-size auditorium, so that's pretty good. It's really good for outdoors as well, especially because it has some lights. So that's pretty cool, right? There you go. Now let's pump up the volume on our phone. 3/4 in the way right here. Yeah, it gets pretty loud real easy. Like I said, it's only a quarter still on the speakers. So that's pretty crazy, right? Pretty good. Now the next thing we're gonna test is the mic that comes in the box. Let's open this guy up, and then we're just gonna plug this in right onto here. There you go. I'm gonna turn this on, and let's go ahead and test this out. Check, check, check. Let's turn up the mic volume right here. Very nice. Check, check, check. So this is the loudest for the mic. I guess we can still bump up the volume of the speakers, but the pickup of this mic that comes in the box is already maxed out. So let me know what you think in the comments below if this is any good or not. Check, check, check. So there you go. This is the mic from the box that comes with the Moukey Trolley speakers. Let me know what you think in the comments below if this is any good or not. To be honest with you, this is pretty good for me. It doesn't have a really good pickup, but because the speakers are really loud already, I guess you could still bump it up a bit, so that's pretty good. Now, if this is not good enough for you, we're gonna test out another mic here by Moukey, which is the Mcm-3. So let's go ahead and unbox that. Here we go. Comes with little foam right there. It's also the XLR to the 1/4 inch microphone right there. This is a little hefty device. Mcm-3 by Moukey. Very nice. There you go. Let's take it out of the cable right there. The cable is pretty hefty as well. Pretty long. It comes with a 40-foot cable, so that's pretty good. Don't really need that much of a cable for the most part, but it does when you need it. So to hook this up is really easy. Just plug this in like so, just like that. It has a power on and off button as well right there, just like the one that comes in the box. Also comes with this, so let's go ahead and mount that right in there. Okay. And then we're gonna plug this into the mic too, so you guys can compare. There you go. So check, check, check. This is the mic. Again, this is the maximum volume for this. So that's pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If this is cleaner than the one that comes in the box of the Moukey Trolley speakers. Now test that. This is the one, like I said earlier, this is the one that comes in the box. The Moukey speakers, the Trolley speakers. Let me know what you think in the comments below if this is any better or not. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the foam on the other mic and see how well it does. There you go. This is the Moukey MWM-3. Let me know in the comments below if this is better than the default mic that comes with the Trolley speakers. The next thing that we're gonna test here is the Karaoke. So what you could do as well is hook up your computer onto this, and you'll be able to simultaneously use it, so that's pretty good. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go to our phone, and we're gonna look for songs, and we're gonna sing it right from our phone. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Let's try this. recommend this for people who are looking for a karaoke set. You know, if you want to do a real quick setup, this is pretty good. Especially the trolley part of this is quite well. If you have gigs and something like that, you can use this as well to hook up your guitar on this, so that's pretty good. It only has two inputs. Just make sure that you're only using a couple of mics, or maybe you're only using one instrument and one mic. The other hand as well is you can use two more options here. There's an aux in and also the Bluetooth. So if you can work with those four options, then go ahead and grab yourself one. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well. So if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.